Have you ever wondered what would happen if Earth got sucked into a black hole? Well, first, let's take a moment to understand what a black hole really is. It's a region in space-time where the gravitational pull is so intense that nothing can escape its grasp. Imagine a cosmic vacuum cleaner, except it's not dust and crumbs it's sucking up, but everything, from the smallest particles to light itself. Now, there's a point around a black hole known as the event horizon. Think of it as the door to the abyss. Once anything crosses this threshold, it's locked in a one-way journey towards the black hole's center. No U-turns allowed. Despite all the sci-fi movies and pop culture references, black holes remain enigmatic. Our understanding of them is largely built on mathematical theories and indirect observations. They're the ultimate cosmic puzzle. So what if our home planet found itself on a one-way trip into a black hole? Let's explore this mind-boggling scenario. The moment Earth crosses the event horizon, things start to get a little weird. This is where our journey into the unknown begins. As we approach the black hole, its immense gravitational pull starts warping the very fabric of space and time around our planet. This isn't your average gravitational pull. We're talking about a force so strong that it distorts our understanding of reality. It's like being in a cosmic funhouse mirror, with space stretching and warping in ways we can hardly fathom. One of the strangest phenomena we'd experience is time dilation. In this bizarre scenario, time would slow down for us Earthlings. To us, each second would feel like a typical second. But to an observer outside the black hole, our time would appear to crawl. From their perspective, we'd be in slow motion, our planet reddening and fading until it eventually vanishes from sight. But what happens next? Let's dive deeper into the black hole to find out. As Earth plunges further into the black hole, it would experience something known as spaghettification. Now, this isn't your average marinara-topped dinner spaghetti, but a term coined by scientists to describe a very specific and rather brutal phenomenon. Imagine a giant cosmic hand reaching out and pulling on one end of our planet. The side of Earth closest to the black hole would feel a stronger pull of gravity than the side facing away. This difference in gravitational force is so extreme that it would start to stretch our world, slowly at first, then faster and faster. Our perfectly round Earth would begin to elongate, transforming into a long, thin, noodle-like shape. But this wouldn't be a smooth or gentle process, far from it. The intense stress from this stretching would lead to extreme geological activity. Picture the most violent earthquakes you can imagine, shaking the very foundations of our world. Volcanoes that have been dormant for thousands of years would awaken, spewing lava and ash across the skies. The oceans would boil, the mountains would crumble, and the cities we've built would be torn asunder. The Earth's crust would crack and split, revealing the molten heart of our planet. It would be a sight of unimaginable destruction, a testament to the raw, unbridled power of a black hole. But the stretching wouldn't stop there. The gravitational pull would continue to elongate our world until it's torn apart completely. The Earth, as we know it, would cease to exist, replaced by a stream of debris spiraling into the black hole. All life as we know it would be eradicated. There would be no survivors, no hope of recovery, a truly catastrophic event and a sobering reminder of the immense forces at play in our universe. So what would be left of our once beautiful planet? Well, that's a question for the next scene. Stay tuned. Once Earth is stretched and torn apart, it becomes part of the black hole itself. This is the final fate of our planet if it were to meet such an unimaginable end. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. Essentially, the matter that once made up Earth, every mountain, ocean, city, and even you and I, would be added to the black hole's mass. In a rather poetic sense, we wouldn't just be consumed, we'd become an integral part of the cosmic beast that devoured us. We would join the ranks of countless stars, planets, and possibly even other civilizations that have been absorbed by the black hole, contributing to its ever-growing mass. But that's not where the story ends. You see, in the realm of black holes, things get a bit weird. There's a theory known as information preservation that adds another layer to this narrative. This theory proposes that the information about what fell into the black hole is stored at the event horizon. That's the point of no return, the boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape the black hole's gravitational pull. Now, when we talk about information, we're not referring to data in the way we usually understand it. Instead, we're talking about the quantum state of a system, its structure, its properties, and its behavior. In the case of Earth, this would be everything that makes our planet unique. Its composition, its history, its life. So, while the physical Earth would be gone, its information would live on at the edge of the black hole. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? The idea that our planet, everything we know and love, could exist in some form at the edge of a black hole, even after being torn apart and consumed. So, in a way, Earth would never truly disappear. It would continue to exist, in a sense, at the edge of the black hole. While the idea of Earth being sucked into a black hole is terrifying, it's not something we need to worry about. Breathe a sigh of relief, folks. The odds of our beloved planet being gobbled up by these cosmic monsters are infinitesimally small, almost non-existent. You see, the nearest black hole, known as V616 Monocerotis, is thousands, yes, thousands of light-years away from us. To put it into perspective, 1 light-year is approximately 6 trillion miles. So we're talking about a distance that's so vast it's hard for our human minds to even comprehend. But let's not forget, black holes are not villains of the cosmos. Rather, they are captivating cosmic phenomena, mysterious and intriguing. They push the boundaries of our understanding and challenge our perceptions of the universe. In the vast, mysterious universe, black holes are just one of many fascinating phenomena that continue to captivate our curiosity.